So we're going to demonstrate the FLB1000 line bender, which is a quartz heating element which provides all the heat to the plastic sheet. This would typically be used for menu holders, leaflet holders, a variety of line bent items which could be in high impact polystyrene, ABS, acrylic, PETG. So here we have the main on-off switch for the line bender, and then over on this side we've got our temperature regulator. So you can actually switch it off, and then you can regulate all the way up to the maximum, which is 750 watts. We'd normally recommend probably about a setting of 4 would be adequate for most materials. Our line bender has a timer on it, and it has a 1 meter width. So you can do either multiples of smaller line bent items or large items up to 1 meter in width. We've got adjustment at either end of the line bender to allow you to increase or decrease the size of the heating width. Now we're going to place a bit of 3mm high impact polystyrene. What's quite handy is that you've got this grid that's been printed onto the machine, so you know exactly that you've got your part nice and parallel. And we're just going to bring down the guard. That just helps to clamp the material, keeping it level with the heating element while it heats up. So here we have the timer. I'm just going to start that, and that'll start timing down. When it reaches 0, the buzzer will go, indicating to the operator it's time to take. What you can always do is just simply raise this, lift up your plastic sheet to check. And that looks about right now. It's nice and flexible. So now that can go into the cooling jig to cool down. So what I want to do now is make sure I've got the correct angle for the cooling jig. And all I'd do is simply loosen off that one, loosen off this one here, and then adjust that from 0 to 180 degrees to whatever angle I want. I'm going to make this one, let's say 130. We'll put it there. The plastic has been heated up on the line bender. I'm bringing it across to the cooling jig, and now I'll just let that set there until it's nice and cool.